You have a new design, and it looks awesome. But are you absolutely sure it will work? Waiting until production to test your design can be expensive and time-consuming. How do you decide which direction to take while you're still in the design phase? How do you know your design is strong enough? Which material will work best while keeping costs to a minimum? Is there a way to make it stronger, lighter, more efficient? And what about design changes? When these issues surface late in the design process or there is a recall due to design errors, the entire production comes to a halt. There has to be a better way. Enter SOLIDWORKS Simulation. Using SOLIDWORKS Simulation is the most efficient and complete way to validate your designs before you create a single prototype. In a matter of minutes, you can easily test your designs for flow, stress, temperature, factor of safety, pressure, and many other variables. Simulation takes the complexity out of testing your designs, from small mechanisms to large machines. You can even validate injection molded plastics and calculate your design's environmental impact. SOLIDWORKS Simulation does all of the complicated calculations for you, so you can focus on designing. You can also determine the best materials and configurations, all before producing a single prototype. SOLIDWORKS Simulation works directly within the SOLIDWORKS interface, so you can validate while you work. You'll create the best designs the first time, every time. To learn more about SOLIDWORKS Simulation, contact your SOLIDWORKS reseller or visit our website at www.solidworks.com. SOLIDWORKS Simulation, removing guesswork, reducing costs, streamlining development, accelerating innovation.